Hello friends. So today we will check the logical operators in C. So what is logical operators? Logical operators are used to determine the logic between the variables and values. And suppose we can use multiple conditions also for checking purpose. So these are the main three logical operators. First one is AND. It returns 1 if both statements are true. And is next one is or returns 1 if only one statement is true, and not means it is the reverse the result. So we can just check. Suppose we have one variable int a is equal to 10 and another one int b is equal to 5. Suppose we want to print a message if a is equal to 10 and b equal to 5, that time only we need to print the message. So in that case, we can use AND operator. So here we can use if a equal to 10, we can use double AND here. And sorry, and b equal to 5. So here we can put one printf, just one random message. We can give well. So in this condition, a is equal to 10 and b equal to 5. That time only it will print this message. We can just run this. Now we are getting the welcome. Okay. So in this case, it returns 1 if the both statements are true. So suppose here a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5. Both conditions are true. So that's why this is good. Suppose this, we are changing the value to 11. Now we are trying to run. So it will not execute that code because this condition is false, a equal to 10. But b is equal to 5 is true. Okay. So in the AND condition, both conditions need to. Next is OR. OR returns 1 if one of the statement is true. So suppose here a equal to 10, that is false, but b is equal to 5, that is true. So in this condition, we are using OR. Then this will execute this statement. We can run this. See, we are getting output welcome. So any of the statement is true, then it will return 1 in OR case. Okay, and not means it is the reverse the result. Okay, so we can check that. Here a equal to 10. We will run this, then we will get output welcome. So I need to check here the reverse conditions. If the value is not 10, we need to print this message. Okay, so in that case, we can use the not operator. First, we can put not and close that brace. So A is equal to 10. That is true now, right? We can just run. Then it is not printing, right? It is not going to insert for this loop because here we are checking A equal to 10. Suppose here we are given A equal to 11. Then we will run this. Then the not operator will execute. See, we are getting welcome.